If the nerves in your feet and legs are burning, tingling, or going numb from diabetes, there is something happening on your plate 3 times a day that is either feeding those damaged nerves and helping them heal, or starving them and making the pain worse. Most people never hear this. They are told to take a pill and live with it. But today, I am going to give you the 6 foods that genuinely help calm diabetic nerve pain in your feet and legs, exactly why each one works, and the foods that are quietly pouring fuel on the fire. Let us get into it. I am Dr. Okoro. On this channel, I take what the medical research actually says and turn it into simple things you can use today. Everything here is grounded in published sources, and I will name them as we go. Give me 1 minute on why food matters so much for nerve pain, because once you understand what is happening inside a damaged nerve, every food on this list will make sense. Picture your nerves as electrical wires running from your spine all the way down to your toes. Like any good wire, each one is wrapped in insulation. In your body, that insulation is a fatty coating called myelin, and that insulation is what lets the signal travel cleanly. Now, high blood sugar does 2 destructive things to these wires. First, it is corrosive. Excess sugar in the blood generates unstable molecules called free radicals that attack and fray the nerve, a process doctors call oxidative stress. Second, high blood sugar damages the tiny blood vessels that deliver oxygen and nutrients to the nerve, so the nerve is essentially being starved at the same time it is being corroded. A frayed, starving wire does exactly what a frayed wire in your house does. It sparks, it misfires, it sends false signals. Those false signals are the burning, the tingling, the pins and needles, and the electric shocks you feel. So here is the good news hidden in all of that. The right foods do 2 things directly. They flood your body with antioxidants that neutralize the corrosion, and they deliver the exact raw materials your nerves need to repair their insulation and function. That is not wishful thinking. That is the mechanism. So let us feed those nerves. Food number 1, fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, and herring. This is at the top of the list for a reason. Fatty fish are the richest food source of omega-3 fatty acids, and omega-3s are building blocks of the myelin insulation that wraps your nerves. When your nerves are trying to repair their damaged coating, omega-3s are the raw material for the job. On top of that, omega-3s are one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds we have, and inflammation is a major driver of nerve pain. Research on diabetic neuropathy has explored omega-3s for their ability to support nerve repair and reduce that inflammation. So a single food is both calming the fire and supplying the repair crew. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish a week. If fish is not for you, we will cover plant sources, but oily fish is the most direct. Food number 2, leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and their close cousin broccoli. I'm going to tell you about a specific compound here, because it matters. Green vegetables like spinach and broccoli are among the best food sources of a remarkable antioxidant called alpha-lipoic acid. Now pay attention to this, because alpha-lipoic acid is one of the most studied nutrients in the entire world specifically for diabetic nerve pain. It has been researched for its ability to reduce the burning, tingling, and numbness of diabetic neuropathy, precisely because it is a potent antioxidant that fights the oxidative corrosion we talked about. Green vegetables also deliver magnesium, which nerves need to fire properly, and folate, one of the B vitamins essential for nerve health. And they are extremely low in carbohydrates, so they will not spike the blood sugar that is causing the damage in the first place. Fill half your plate with greens. Sauté spinach in a little olive oil and garlic. Steam the broccoli. Build a big salad. This is one of the highest value things you can eat for your nerves. Food number 3, eggs. And this brings us to the single most important nutrient for your nerves, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is absolutely essential for building and maintaining the myelin insulation around your nerves. When you are low in B12, that insulation degrades, and the result is numbness, tingling, and nerve pain, sometimes indistinguishable from diabetic neuropathy, and often making it dramatically worse. Eggs are an excellent, affordable source of B12, along with meat, poultry, and fish. But here is the part I most need you to hear, and it applies to millions of you watching. If you take the diabetes medication Metformin, listen closely. Metformin is known to lower your body's absorption of vitamin B12 over time. So the very people most likely to have nerve pain, diabetics on Metformin, are also the people most likely to be quietly running low on the one vitamin their nerves need most. This is one of the most under-recognized causes of worsening nerve pain I know of. So eat your B12-rich foods, and, this is critical, if you are on Metformin, Ask your doctor to check your B12 level with a simple blood test. Correcting a B12 deficiency can noticeably improve nerve symptoms, and it is one of the most fixable things on this entire list. Food number 4, turmeric, the golden spice, along with its partner, ginger. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin, and curcumin is one of nature's most studied anti-inflammatory substances. Because so much of diabetic nerve pain is driven by inflammation and oxidative stress, curcumin has been researched for its potential to calm neuropathic pain and protect nerve tissue. Ginger works alongside it with its own anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Here is a practical tip that actually matters. Curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own, but adding a pinch of black pepper increases its absorption dramatically. The compound in black pepper, piperine, boosts curcumin absorption many times over. And a little healthy fat helps too. So a warm turmeric drink made with milk or a plant milk, a pinch of black pepper, and a little ginger in the evening is both soothing and genuinely anti-inflammatory. Or cook with turmeric generously in stews, eggs, and vegetables. Small spice, real science. Food number 5, colorful berries and antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables. Remember the corrosion, the oxidative stress that frays your nerves. The direct antidote is antioxidants, and the most concentrated food sources of antioxidants are deeply colored fruits and vegetables. Blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries are loaded with anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their color and that are powerful nerve-protective antioxidants. And berries happen to be low in sugar, so they protect your nerves without spiking the blood sugar that damages them. Beyond berries, think color across the board. Red bell peppers, purple cabbage, orange squash, dark leafy greens. Each color represents a different family of protective antioxidants. There is even good evidence for vitamin C and vitamin E, both found in these foods, supporting nerve health. A simple rule: the more natural color on your plate, the more nerve protective antioxidants you are eating. Aim for a rainbow every day. Food number 6, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. These little foods are quietly perfect for nerve health, and here is why. They are one of the best food sources of vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that specifically protects the fatty myelin insulation of your nerves from oxidative damage. They are rich in magnesium, which calms overexcited, misfiring nerves. And magnesium deficiency is common in diabetics and can worsen nerve symptoms. Walnuts in particular add plant-based omega-3s, and nuts and seeds are packed with several B vitamins and healthy fats, while being low in the fast carbohydrates that spike blood sugar. A small handful a day, not a whole bowl because they are calorie-dense, makes an excellent snack that steadies your blood sugar and feeds your nerves at the same time. Sprinkle seeds on your greens, keep a few almonds in your pocket instead of reaching for something sugary. Simple, portable nerve nutrition. So there are your 6. Fatty fish, leafy greens and broccoli, eggs for B12, turmeric with black pepper, colorful berries, and nuts and seeds. See the pattern. Everyone either supplies the raw materials to repair your nerves or delivers the antioxidants to stop the corrosion, and not one of them spikes your blood sugar. That is the formula for a nerve-calming food. Now the other half, because it matters just as much. The foods that are pouring fuel on the fire, that you may be eating every day without realizing they are worsening your nerve pain. Number 1, by a mile, refined sugar and refined carbohydrates. White bread, white rice, pastries, cookies, sugary cereal, and especially sugary drinks and fruit juice. Every one of these sends your blood sugar spiking, and every spike is another wave of the exact corrosion that is damaging your nerves. If you do only one thing after this video, cut the sugary drinks. They are the fastest, most direct nerve-damaging food there is. Number 2, excessive alcohol. Alcohol is directly toxic to nerves. Heavy drinking causes its own form of neuropathy, and it interferes with the absorption of the very B vitamins your nerves need. If you have nerve pain, alcohol should be minimal at most. Number 3, deep-fried and heavily processed foods, which are loaded with inflammatory fats and the kind of compounds that increase oxidative stress. And number 4, excess salt and processed meats, which harm the small blood vessels that feed your nerves. So as you add the 6 good foods, pull back on these 4. You cannot heal a wire while you keep corroding it. Now I have to give you 2 honest and important cautions, because your safety matters more than any tip. First, food first, and be very careful with high-dose supplements. It can be tempting to skip the food and just buy a bottle of every nutrient I mentioned. But here is a critical warning most people never hear. While B vitamins are essential for nerves, One of them, vitamin B6, can actually cause nerve damage if you take too much of it in supplement form over time. That is a real and cruel irony. Overdosing the wrong supplement to fix nerve pain can worsen it. So get your nutrients from food, where they come in safe, balanced amounts, and never start high-dose supplements without talking to your doctor. B12 and alpha-lipoic acid may be worth discussing with your doctor as supplements if you have a deficiency or significant neuropathy. But that is a conversation with them, tailored to you, not a shelf-clearing trip to the pharmacy. Second, and this is the foundation under everything, food helps, but it does not replace controlling your blood sugar. These 6 foods reduce the inflammation and feed the repair. But if your blood sugar stays high, you are damaging the nerves faster than any food can heal them. The single most powerful thing you can do for diabetic nerve pain is bring your blood sugar into a healthy range and keep it there. Food is a powerful ally in that fight. The low-sugar, high-antioxidant foods on this list help steady your blood sugar too, but pair it with everything your doctor has given you. And remember the gentle bedtime exercises and daily movement I have talked about before, because moving your body improves circulation to those starving nerves and helps your blood sugar at the same time. Food, movement, and blood sugar control together, that is how you actually turn the tide on nerve pain. Let me bring it home. If your feet and legs burn or tingle from diabetes, your nerves are frayed, corroded, and starving, and you can do something about all 3 from your kitchen. Feed them the 6 foods they need: fatty fish for the insulation, leafy greens and broccoli for the antioxidant alpha-lipoic acid, eggs for the critical B12, and get that B12 checked if you take metformin, turmeric with black pepper to calm the inflammation, colorful berries to fight the corrosion, and a daily handful of nuts and seeds for vitamin E and magnesium. Cut the sugar, the sugary drinks, the alcohol, and the fried food that fuel the fire. Get your nutrients from food, not risky high-dose supplements. And keep your blood sugar controlled, because that is the ground everything else stands on. Do this, and you give your nerves their best real chance to quiet down and begin to heal. If this gave you something you can actually use tonight, tell me in the comments which of the 6 foods you already eat, and which one you are going to add this week. I read every single comment, and it genuinely helps other people to see they are not alone in this. And if this was useful, consider subscribing, because that is the entire reason this channel exists, to hand you simple, honest tools to take care of yourself as you age. Take good care of your feet and your nerves. Start with one good food tonight, and I will see you in the next one.